Welcome back to Work Autonomy. So today we're going to be talking about three work from home positions that are currently going on right now. And if you are interested in applying for any of these jobs, the links for the jobs will be in the description box below for you, also including timestamps. So if you got enough information, you want to move on to the next job, there are timestamps in the description box. You can just go ahead and skip ahead. But the first one we're going to talk about is with Coursera. Coursera is an online learning platform and they do offer certifications and degrees. The company is hiring for a support specialist, and it says US here, but they make reference that Coursera can hire people in any country where they have legal entity, assuming candidates have eligible working rights and a sufficient time zone overlap with their team. The interviews and onboarding are conducted virtually, a part of being a remote first company. So this is technically a worldwide company. So anybody can really apply for this role. And as a support specialist, what you'll be doing is you'll interact directly with educators to provide escalated support via email, chat, and other channels, troubleshoot technical issues, work cross-functionally with the product program teams, monitor and analyze metrics performance, build, manage, and iterate on support workflows, training, and tools, project, manage large-scale initiatives within the organization, and some of the qualifications they're looking for is someone with 2+ years of customer support, help desk, or technical support experience. Preferred qualifications is 2+ years of outsourced support team interaction experience, knowledge of Salesforce and other CRM tooling, familiar with Jira or other similar bug tracking tools, experience analyzing data, trends, and customer information, passion for customer experience with a deep interest in understanding and advocating users' needs, effective at problem solving and collaborating with cross functional teams, experience using communication, including the ability to present complex concepts, experience building, managing, and optimizing large cross functional projects, history of strong critical thinking, influencing, and relationship management skills. So the application process is pretty straightforward. First name, last name, email, phone number, your resume, CV, a few questions, and that's pretty much it. Some voluntary questions as well too. So when I checked on Glassdoor.com, they didn't actually have the salary for this role. You can also check on Comparably. That's another tool that you can use to verify salary information. Something similar to this role has the salary ranging from high 50s to low 60s and potentially up to $85,000. So guesstimation is probably starting off as $50,000 to $60,000 for the support specialist role, and it does come with benefits as well too. Although they're not stated on this page, they are stated on the Coursera job employment page, so you can take a look into that. But benefits are inclusive, so the starting rate is around $50,000 to $60,000 for this role. All right, so next up we have a job with a company called Oyster. And Oyster is on a mission to create a more equal world by making it possible for companies everywhere to hire people anywhere. So they literally help companies with getting them set up so they can hire people from any parts of the world. And also with that, they practice what they preach because they do have this customer support specialist role that's available. And guess what? It is worldwide, so you can be from any part of the world and apply for this position. And as a customer support specialist, what you'll do is you'll be the face and voice of Oyster and assist customers and the team members when they need support, working with the support colleagues, HR, finance, legal experts to resolve queries, using support ticketing platforms such as Zendesk and knowledge-centered support principles to enhance the service experience, maintaining and helping to develop the service tools such as FAQs, public country profiles, etc. And what they're looking for is someone with 2 to 3 years of hands-on support of a SaaS platform, ideally in a field related to HR or payroll, empathetic and human-centered approach to supporting customers, passionate about creating and sharing knowledge, first-class attention to detail and reasoning, comfortable with working in a high-paced environment, excellent interpersonal skills, determination, and tenacity, along with a sense of humor, remote first advocate and passionate about creating change in the workforce, driven by social impact mission, and you are based on Earth. Some additional attributes that they're looking for is someone that has experience in a support or administrative role in an HR or people function, spreadsheet skills, ability to speak languages other than English fluently, and you'll also need a reliable home internet connection or be able to get one, and you're fluent in English. And some of the benefits that are inclusive with this role is they offer a competitive compensation package, fully flexible hours, 40 days of time off, including public holidays, paid parental leave. Um, they also include a work from home setup budget, wellness and well being support, private health insurance, and time off for volunteering. I'm sure there's other additional benefits that are included but just not listed. So when I checked the salary for this role, the salary ranges about $40,000 to $50,000 annually, and the application process is pretty straightforward. So first name, last name, email, your resume or CV. They do ask some additional questions that you'll just need to answer, and then that's it. So this is with a company called Oyster, and they are hiring worldwide at $40,000 to $50,000 annually. All right, and lastly, we have a job with a company called Volta Charging. So Volta Charging is the company that distributes out the electric vehicle charging stations that you're seeing more often in the United States. And so just to preface, this role is a US-based role. And they are looking for a customer service specialist to assist them. And within this role, what you'll do is you will reach a level of proficiency with daily operations and have an understanding of how the charging stations work. You'll learn relevant tools for managing support tickets and communicating with customers. You'll establish good working relationship with your peers and stakeholders. You'll have establish a personal workflow that is efficient and transparent. They do have some objectives for you after 12 months of work. And they're looking for someone that has experience in customer support work that involves investigating and resolving technical issues. You're an effective communicator. You can communicate succinctly and effectively with personality and professionalism. You are customer focused, so you enjoy delighting and educating customers. You are mechanically and technically inclined. You are cognizant of cost implications and actively seek out solutions. Travel is something you enjoy as you may be asked to spend time in the field as part of the training and learning process. You thrive in a fast-paced, informal, team-focused environment where constant change is the norm and the bar for quality is set high. You have strong writing, spreadsheet, and computer skills. Process improvement experience is a plus. You live optimizing processes. Your knowledge and experience in electrical vehicle charging system, electrical systems, and or communication networking is a strong plus. It's not a requirement. So standard information that they're looking for. So first name, last name, email. They don't ask for your CV, but it probably would be best to include that or your LinkedIn profile. And the starting rate for this role that I was able to find on comparably.com shows customer support specialists making around $70,000, and that does include benefits, so medical, dental, vision, and other benefits that are inclusive. So the link for this role will be at the bottom of the description box below if you're interested. But that's all I have for you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe so you can get notified when I post new job opportunities on the channel. But until next time, I'll see you all in the next videos. Take care.